Alright, hello everybody, welcome to Beaumont. We are at a Mobil station off Highland Springs Avenue. And some of you might remember that I visited the car wash at this gas station that had the touch-free Washworld razor in it. I just went in and got a code for the $10 Topworks wash. We're going to revisit it today and see how this thing is holding up. See our code right there. And it's 828410.
You have purchased the Works wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
Oh yeah, I forgot. This one actually has the talking voice.
Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance
See
sign
the older entrance sign on the left. Can't really see it too well, but the undercarriage is going right now. I actually remember the when they first installed the system, the sign was like the old one outside, on the outside, so they definitely upgraded this thing a bit.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward. Please place car in park.
So you can't see the sign. It looks like it's not working, but it is. It's just the camera's not picking it up. We're going to be starting with pre-soak now.
A pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Decent coating of pre-soak on the side to begin with here. Oh. I realize I can't run the wipers if the car is not on. So we're doing a double coating of pre-soak. Once again, pretty decent coverage and a decent coating as well. See, this one actually has onboard dryers, so I'm going to give it a second to soak. Alright, now we're going to start the high pressure. I'll watch it on the reverse camera, because why not?
A protected product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Very good coverage of triple foam on the top and the sides by the looks of it. So we're going to use the overhead manifold to perform this rinse. Looks like we're doing it says sealant on the wash sign. See, now my camera's picking up the light. I don't know why I didn't pick it up before.
A sealant product is now being applied to your vehicle.
So this is actually Rain-X sealant. I saw it on the menu inside the store. Alright, I think we're going to be doing the spot for your rinse next. Probably. Oh no. Looks like we're doing some sort of lava bath.
A sealant product is now being applied.
Or, I think it's not a lava bath, it's an overhead application system. That's probably the clear coat. We're going to do another rinse with the top manifold again. These things are notorious for being quick washes, so it says it's washing on the wash status sign there. You can't see it through the rainy window. What the? I guess that was a spot free because now we're doing the dryers. I love how it turns, like, you know, out this way. Like the Laser Wash 4000s would always turn the other way. I like that so it doesn't drip all over the mirrors. Watch it on the reverse camera again. Watch all that water in the back get blown out. Much calcium and mineral deposits are on the arm. That's probably going to be it, so.
Thank you.
I am so sorry my camera cut out there. Well, I'm going to kind of step out here at the end of the driveway real quick and we'll take a look at the car and a quick glance at the car wash. Those are my new decals that I got for my car. It's for the Instagram account for my car. Alright, we're not looking too shabby here. Seems like a good quality wash. Just look at the machine. It says right there the vehicle sizing system and virtual attendant. Yeah, so that sign was definitely a replacement of the old one. Yeah, I say this is a decent car wash, you know, $10 for a bargain wash. You're basically getting what you pay for there, and it's a good value for $10. Well, I gotta get going, so thank you so much for watching, and that is it.